Hello guys, and how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a holiday makeup look that's perfect and wearable for everybody. Christmas is coming. I am celebrating Christmas. We're gonna do a classic neutral eyeshadow look and bold red lips. Promise you're gonna love it. It's a classic look that's perfect not just for the holidays but for like a lot of events. I'm posting one video per week, so make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified when I'm gonna post the new video. So let's get started. For the base, I'm not gonna spend too much time. I'm gonna apply everything that you will apply for a base, and then we're gonna go ahead to the eyeshadow look. And while I'm doing my makeup base, I'm gonna ask you guys to write in a comment down below a happy moment experience that happened during the holidays, a nice experience that stayed in your memories. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna say that my mother's birthday is on first day of Christmas, on 25th of December, and when I was little, we were celebrating Christmas and her birthday, and it was so nice because we had friends and family coming to our place, sometimes even uninvited, you know. They just knew if they're gonna come to us, there's gonna be food and music. That was a good way to see my aunts, my uncles, my cousins, family, friends, and it was great. And I remember I was going with my best friend and we were singing carol songs to people's houses. I think it was a great experience. And now is your turn. On Black Friday, I bought this Eye Babe Faves from Morphe, and it is a set of 15 eye brushes that people love, and I think it was a pretty good deal. I bought it for like $50 and it's 15 brushes, and I'm gonna use them today. Look at this. They look very good. Let's see how they perform. I want to do my eyebrows. So this is the eyebrow brush. I think this one is pretty long from what I'm seeing to be for eyebrows, but we're gonna try. Right. And I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel. I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna take this just like that, and I'm gonna pick up that color. Yeah, I just feel like this one, it's a little bit too long to use it for. Is it this one? Yeah. It's just a little bit too white. You know what I'm saying? For powder, I'm gonna apply the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm gonna bake. And I'm gonna apply the rest of the powder all over my face. And I'm gonna use the Smashbox Contour Palette and define more the contour. This is a contour slash bronzer palette. Oh my god, my eyes look so crazy. They look so small. For the eyeshadow look, I'm gonna use the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna use the neutral shades from here. We're gonna create something neutral, wearable, but I don't wanna go too extra with that because the focus is gonna be on the lips. So let's dig into these Morphe eye brushes. I should have washed them before. It's just, I don't know, I forgot. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like food. I'm gonna go with the Morphe M330, and I'm gonna go into the Soothe. And then I'm gonna take the Morphe 321 eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Ritual. It's this chocolate matte brown. So this is a bullet crease brush because you can apply the eyeshadow very pigmented. And then we're gonna take a blending brush and we're gonna blend that. I'm gonna take another brush because I feel like this one is not very soft. Okay, to blend that color, I'm gonna take the Morphe E22, and this is a pointed blender brush. Okay, I'm gonna pack even more color on the outer crease. I'm gonna take the brush M213, and this is a smudger brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the same matte brown and go on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the shade Soothe and go a little bit lower than that color and smudge that darker brown with the lighter brown. And guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a cut crease. And I'm gonna put concealer on my hand. I don't have a cut crease brush in this Morphe eye brushes collection, so I'm gonna take, this is from Bo Kashi concealer brush, but it looks like this, so it's very flat when you look at it like that. I'm gonna go into the metallic shades, these shades right here. I'm gonna just like swatch them just so you see. So look how pretty they are. We're gonna go with the lightest one in the inner corner, and then we're gonna apply the golden one in the middle. More towards the end of the eye, we're gonna go with the darkest chocolate metallic brown. And actually I'm gonna apply that on the cut crease line. Bring that cut crease up front. In the outer corner I'm gonna apply this shade, which is a chocolate metallic brown, and we can apply that with the finger. And then I'm gonna take the golden soot color. Oh, it's so pretty. And I want to create like an ombre effect, like from the lightest to darkest. And I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend this. I'm gonna go with more brown down there. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Eyeshadow Black Magic eyeliner. Oh no! I'm gonna die like right now. No, what the hell happened? Okay, let me try to fix this. And this eyeliner will go to trash because, I mean, I think it happens, but it just peeled, like all that ink. It's like all over inside, and it's just like, no bueno. Bye! I got so upset, I went and grabbed something to eat. Alright, so let's try to fix this. Look, I tried to clean it, but now I have like a spot there. I hope it's not gonna get cakey. I'm gonna apply some powder and I'm gonna reconstruct that eyeshadow. Alright, and on the lower lash line I'm gonna use the Tarte brown eye pencil. Lashes are done. We're gonna finish the eye look. I'm gonna go into the shade Aura, the metallic champagne color, and I'm gonna put this under my eyebrows. Ooh, this went pretty dramatic actually. And for my eyebrows, as you see, they are pretty dark and I wanna lighten them a little bit using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel. This is in the shade Caramel. For blush, I'm gonna use the Flower Powder Blush. God, I use this so much. It's a really good blush. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the NYX Born to Glow. This is the shade Chosen One. I like because it has a golden color, perfect for holidays. And the Le Piece de la Resistance, the red lipstick. And I have right here a very good red lipstick. The shade, it's like right in between. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. However, I would say it's a slightly bit on the cool side. And this is the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. Beautiful shade. I'm gonna swatch it for you on the hand. Look at this. It's like perfect red. Oh, it's just beautiful. And it's matte but like very comfortable on the lips and very long wear. I'm gonna line my lips with Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner, As you see, this is the liner. It's pretty similar. I'm gonna most likely go on my natural lip line, but if you want, you can go a little bit outside to create more volume and fullness to your lips. If you would like me to do a video in which I explain you about the red lipstick, what is a warm undertone, cool undertone, what is the perfect red lipstick for you, just let me know in a comment down below and I will do that video for you, okay? Alright, so as you see, I didn't go outside of my lip line just because my lips are big, my mouth is big, and I don't want to like make it even bigger. There is no point. So you see sometimes all these beauty tips and tricks, they are so, everybody says to do that, but like sometimes you have super high cheekbones, you might not need to contour them. You might have full lips and you might not need to go outside of them to apply a lip liner or a lipstick. All these makeup rules, let's say, they need to be personalized. They need to be for your face, for your eye shape, for your lip shape, for your cheek shape. So you really want to like keep that in your hand when you're doing your makeup. For more precision, I'm gonna use a lip brush. So pretty. Guys, there is no woman who doesn't look good with red lipstick, and I so much believe in that. Red lipstick, it's power, feminine, elegant, classic, sexy. It's just so pretty. It's power. It's really power. How do you guys like this lip color? This lipstick, it will look good on every skin tone, especially if you're neutral. I would say it's a little bit on the cool side, but it still has enough warmth in it to be wear by everybody. If you went outside a little bit too much with the lipstick, you can take a concealer brush. You can apply some concealer right here and then go over your mistake. So you don't need to go there with the makeup remover to fix that. The line is pretty sharp. If you want a more natural kind of look, I know it's pretty hard to like look natural with such a bold color, but you can take a Q-tip and just like gently blend the line to like create a more smooth look. And if you want to create more volume and dimension, because this can look a little bit flat, you can go with a more warm color or like a lighter red color and apply it in the center of my lips. And I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use the Disney Villains Cruella lipstick. And as you see, look at this one. It looks more warm. It looks more orange than the MAC one. So this is ColourPop, this is MAC. And I'm gonna finish this look with makeup setting spray. Thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified when I'm gonna post my new videos. And I wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, happy everything you're celebrating. I hope you have the loved one next to you. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye! Am I allowed to sing Jingle Bell? And if you want to see more videos, of course you want. You can click this one right here and this one right here, and you can subscribe right here.